Ah! Get beyond Tarzan level. Fun holiday French with Cecile BB. Want to learn the kind of French that means you will actually engage with real live French people on your next trip to France? Or perhaps you just feel like lighting up your brain to keep the little grey cells active. Do you feel a bit daunted by learning a bit of French? That's scary grammar, tricky pronunciation, and perhaps you feel you have a terrible memory. I can help you take your French from comme ci comme ça to mwah, ooh la la. No one likes to feel tongue-tied when they're trying to communicate. Get Beyond Tarzan Fun Holiday French will take you from beginner or rusty level to pretty flipping awesome level. After this course, you will have the confidence to speak in French even if you make mistakes, which means you will make a fab impression when trying out your French, which will amaze your friends and family on your next trip to France or elsewhere. You'll have a better time. I love teaching the kind of French that you will love. In this course, we will cover la prononciation. It's nice to have a foreign accent, but it's no good if nobody can understand you. And it's difficult sometimes to get your lips wrapped around some French sounds because they don't exist. Certainly not in English, so it takes a bit of practice. We'll have fun with our ha-ha-hi-ha. We will learn to count 1, 2, 3, etc. And as this is a holiday course, we will learn the practical things that you will need when you're on holiday, when you're on vacation. We'll buy breakfast from la boulangerie, just like a French person. You'll learn the proper way to order au café, how to navigate les transports publics, ask for directions, understand directions. Un petit peu de conversation, a little more action. You will book your room à l'hôtel and find out that nothing works. The television doesn't work, the shower doesn't work, there's no hot water. You'll learn how to complain French style. And the French are obsessed with food, which means they have amazing food. So you will learn how to properly order your 3-course meal, the meal for the kids, your wine, your water, your apéritif, your digestif. You will know what those mean by the end of the course. You will get lifetime access to videos of all the lessons so you can go over things as many times as you want to. MP3 audio recordings so that you can listen to those lessons on the go, when you're jogging, when you're on your commute, etc. And I've painstakingly written out all the notes so that you don't have to lift a pen if you don't feel like it. There are also some optional written exercises. You probably don't need to write in French, but writing just accesses different parts of your brain which can help you to remember the French a bit more. But that's up to you. You don't have to do it. And of course you get the answers. There's never been a better time for flexible learning. You can learn when you want, wearing what you want. You can learn from your computer, from your laptop, from your smartphone. You can listen, you can watch the videos, which means you can be more productive on that commute, when you go for a jog or a walk or to the gym. You can even take me to bed with you. Or I'm very happy to clean the house or do the ironing with you. If you have doubts about your ability, very normal by the way, just remember, this is a really important point, remember that you came to this earth not speaking any languages whatsoever, at all. You started from scratch. Of course, you probably won't have the same input with French, but you can certainly learn enough to get by and have some fun on your next trip to France. I make learning French fun and memorable by using a lot of visuals. What was that about a picture worth 1,000 words? I also use daft associations. I like to wear a few props. Silly voices and songs. Non, rien de rien. You will go from uncertain to I'm just gonna go for it. Disclaimer, learning French may well change your life. And I'm not even kidding. That is what Richard said to me, one of my former students, said to me when I bumped into him in the local supermarket. I also met his wife in the playground. Our children go to the same school. And she told me she could not believe how confident he was on their trip to the south of France. They went to see the Matisse exhibition in Nice, and she said she was shocked. He was up like a shot every morning. Maybe he just liked croissants. I don't know. Anyway, that's what she said to me. I have taught a lot of people, all different ages, all different abilities, and they have all had their eyes opened to how much they can learn because of the special techniques that I use to make French memorable. They work. Look into my eyes. You will remember everything I say to you. Psst, and I'll let you into a little secret. It's transformational because of the unexpected bonuses. By learning about another culture and about the language, you learn a lot about your own culture and your own language. And goodness moi, it's fascinating. It really is. And another brilliant added bonus is the brain power. Because learning a foreign language is tricky, it makes you cleverer because you're having to work those brain cells. And if you learn French and go for a daily walk, what can I say? Win, win, win. Plus, learning a foreign language gives you increased confidence to speak to anyone. You become generally more open and friendly. You may not end up being outstanding at French, but you will stand out for trying to speak some. I'm Cecile Bejeres-Butler, Cecile BB for short, and I'm a bilingual, qualified teacher of French with many years' experience of teaching. I put the fun into learning everyday conversation in an entertaining way that inspires you to pluck up the courage to speak in French, however bad it may be. Pause here to read some testimonials. So whether you're a complete beginner or you have un petit peu de français, you'll get a huge amount from this course. I can help you even if you are starting from zero. If you've done French before, come and brush off your dusty, outdated French. Take it from vieux chapeau to à la mode. Come and learn French with moi. Fun guaranteed. Confidence in speaking French guaranteed. Buy the course and you will regretter rien. See you on the inside. J'espère, I hope. Merci. Au revoir.